guys, this is Zsolt as usual, and in this video we are going to continue the journey of this C-Max. And yeah, so far it was washed a couple of times, it was clayed, it was polished, it got a layer of wax. So now I just cleared up all the tapes and I use chemical guys wipeout to remove any of the residue. And now I will use one of these good old friends, the Neoxal trim rejuvenator, which I got like over a year ago from www.carclean.hu. So big thanks for the guys again. And yeah, I'm going to do all the external plastics and rubber parts with it. The weather is not ideal, but I'm lazy to reverse back to the garage. It is sunny but not hot, and not as crazy sunny yet, so I will be quick. And yeah, let's kick it. Right, this one is a super short video. I just wanted to give a go again to the Neoxal trim rejuvenator, and it worked as expected. Yep, in the upcoming videos I think the next step will be to clean the glass. So yeah, we can try some more new products I obtained, and yeah, basically that's it, guys and girls. If you like this very short video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.